Winter vocabulary. The sign for winter is winter. It's two W's that sign cold. Winter, and you kind of scrunched up winter. The sign for cold is two S's. Cold. This means I am cold. Okay, the other cold that you would see in sentences on the quiz next Friday, if we put sentences, but it's also on, on the final exam, is cold, as in I'm sick, cold. Okay, so you have burr, I'm cold, I have a cold. Two different things. This is just a G that comes off my nose, and now I knows it just, hang on. Cold, as in, I have a cold, I'm sick. Or cold, it's cold in HK's room. Blizzard, there are two different ways to do blizzard. Both do the exact same thing. The difference is in how they end. Okay, so the sign that I use for blizzard, this is, so snow, the sign for snow is just little. Okay, spirit fingers go from your dominant side to your non-dominant side, snow. But a blizzard, okay, so you're doing this twice, then you blow the snow around, and then you show how much snow that there is. Sometimes what you'll see is blizzard, and that's it. The fact that the cheeks puff out is a big deal, because otherwise you're just doing snow is blowing, which, yes, in a sense is what a blizzard is, but there's more to it, feet and inches and snow and things like that. So you add the facial expression to show that it is really snowing, it is a blizzard. I usually show that just to show how much snow that there actually was. Sledding. So you take an upside down V, you start it here at the top of your heel, at the dominant side of your shoulder, and it just goes down. Now, could you use it as in, I was sledding down a hill? Yes, you could. Or it could just be sledding. Both are acceptable. Sledding. Now, obviously, if you were just talking about, do you want to go sledding? That's different than talking about the fact that you're sledding. You know, that's more of in the story, so sledding. It's an upside down bent V. My thumb is tucked. You see how it's tucked? And it goes across my body. School delay. So school, start, late. School, hands clap together. Start, dominant first finger goes between your first finger and your middle finger of your non-dominant hand. For many of you, it's right-handed, so it looks like you're starting a car. If you think about putting the key in the ignition and starting the car. For us left-handers, it's opposite. You put the first finger in between your first and second, and you twist. So school, start, late. You push back behind underneath your armpit. School, start, late. School delay. No school. No school. You shake your head no. No school. So if it's like a snow day, which is the next sign. Snow day. So again, snow, spirit fingers that go from your dominant side to your non-dominant side diagonally. Snow, and then the sign for day. Ice skating. Ice skating. Okay, so you have the W for water. You freeze it. It's a bent W. Ice. And then upside down X's that go back and forth. Skating. Because when you skate, your skates go side to side to get you to move. They don't stay still. Ice skating. Snow skiing, because there's a difference between water skiing and snow skiing. You would sign snow skiing. And then with skis, if you've ever gone skiing, you know that the skis have to stay together. So snow skis. And then play. So if you're playing there in the snow, instead of signing out in the, it would be play there, snow, with friends, with sister, with brother, with family, with whomever, okay? Next one. For some reason I've played twice. Do I have played twice? I do. All right, well, we'll take this play out. Hang tight. That makes that a little bit more easier. All right, the sign for snow, you see me do it a couple times, snow. Now it's officially on the list, snow. So I take my spirit fingers up top, dominant's in front of non-dominant, and I wave down to the dominant side, snow. Now, like you'll see with Christmas, you can add many different things to snow to make it a new sign, a compound word. So snowman, sorry, this font is really small. Snow man, thumb 5, dominant, forehead, chest. Snow man. Hang on, let me make this bigger so I can see. Snowball. So all I'm doing is making a ball with my hands. Snowball. Snow forked. So it's a snow and then your build. So 2 U's and then they go straight up. Snow fork. Snow angel. Snow angel. My fingertips are touching either side of my shoulders and they flow out. Snowball fight. Fight. 2 S's. Dominant one's going to hit the non-dominant. Fight. Snow fight or snowball fight. The sign for warm. Take a flat O and it goes underneath your chin, and as you make a W sound, your hand opens and it goes up into a 5. But if you notice, looking at the side here, there's a big gap. So warm. Inside, so inside the house, inside. Power. I should have said, sorry, I was thinking, I read it differently. So power out. Power out. All gone. Okay. So you could do power, and then it's an 8 that circles and pulls to an S at your wrist, out, or you could do power out. Feet is finger spelled. Inches is IN. So my cousin lives in Wisconsin, and they got 21 inches of snow. Okay. Or we had 3 feet of snow. Something like that. But you just finger spell it out. With inches, it's just IN, not inches. And then slip. So you take your dominant, hits here at the heel of your hip, and it comes out. Slip. So if you were walking and you slipped on the ice, slipped. Okay? And I believe that is it for winter vocab. It is.